Welcome to 316 Pitney Road. This nicely updated 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath brick ranch style home with a rear entry 1-car garage, backyard storage shed, and beautiful real hardwood flooring inside. Sits on a corner lot in the established Challedon neighborhood in Northwest Columbia. So we're outside. You can see you have a nice size front yard here, some mature trees, some pines out in front, and you have the front entry to the home on this side. And again, we're on a corner lot here, so the access to the driveway and garage are on the rear. We'll take a look from that side as well. But first we'll go in through the front door. So you have brick steps going up to the front door. You have some nice glass detailing in the front door as well. And then you step inside, you notice the beautiful real hardwood flooring. Looks like oak throughout the home. So that's in the main living space. It continues into the bedrooms and hallway as well. Only place it's not is in the kitchen and bathrooms. You have a nice living room off the entry. The ceiling fan, big picture window looking out towards the front yard, and crown molding in here, as well as a really nice brick wall separating the living area from the kitchen. On the other side here we have the the dining area off the kitchen. It's a nice sized room. Crown molding in here as well that continues into the kitchen itself, which has been beautifully updated. You have granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in here, updated vinyl tile flooring as well. You have subway tile backsplash. There's an included dishwasher, electric range, microwave, as well as the refrigerator on this side. You also do have a pantry over here with some extra storage. And then this door accesses the 1-car garage. So we do have a vehicle parked inside right now. It's a smaller mid-sized SUV, just to give you an idea of scale. So it's a bit of an oversized garage, so it's a nice size. You have the main parking area, and then there's, not sure if you can see it, but sort of an elevated area towards the back. In addition, it has extra storage. There's a nice included rack there as well. Has some shelving here along the side, and then it opens out to the back of the property, which we'll take a look at from this side once we go through. So again, in the dining area here, you also do have some built-in shelving along that wall, and then these nice French doors with big glass doors that open out onto the backyard and the patio. So out back, you can see you have a nice patio, and then you can see the additional parking space in the back as well to look at. So you have sort of a driveway coming off, the additional spur off of the parking pad, and then access to the garage on this side. And then nice backyard. You have some mature trees on this side, and then you can see that storage shed and workshop in the corner there. But you do have a nice grass area as well. So back inside, we'll go on down the hallway and take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. We'll just sort of start on our right side here and work our way around. So we have 2 bedrooms that face the front of the home, the secondary bedrooms. Again, the hardwood flooring continues, ceiling fan, and some nice sized windows out front. You have lighted closets also. Pretty standard size closets for an older home. You can see the bathroom kind of peeking on that side. But on this side we have a closet in the hallway. Some built-in, some great storage in there. And then you can see the full bathroom off the hall. You have tile countertop, large mirror, tile flooring, and surround window looking out towards the backyard. You can see the tub and shower, which are tiled as well on this side. And then there is a linen closet behind the door here also. Just get your view back everywhere at the bathroom as well. So this is the master bedroom. Also front facing off the home. This room has a ceiling fan also has 2 closets, so one on this wall as well as one on the right side wall when you come in. And then it does have its own half bath. You see, with the cool original blue tile. You have a window in here, and then medicine cabinet and sink also. And then last but not least, across the hall at the back of the home, you have your 3rd bedroom. You have chair rail molding as well as a ceiling fan in this one. And the closet is behind 2 bifold doors here, so this one is a little bit bigger, as you can see, than the closet in the other secondary bedroom. And also an attic pull down here in the hallway. So that completes our tour. This very nicely updated home in Northwest Columbia at 316 Pitney Road. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.